Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about how to build brand and how to 10x your business with branding. Imagine being able to charge 10x more than your competitor and customer is still willing to pay you. The secret: branding. Branding isn't just about color and logos. It is about creating an emotional connection with your customer. I will reveal 6 powerful step to build a personal and a business brand that customers love, trust, and pay a premium for. And I will give you example like Tata, Amul, Zomato, Apple, Nike. So you will understand how to accelerate your business. Stay till the end because I will reveal a bonus strategy to accelerate your brand growth. Step first: understanding branding. Branding is association. A brand is just a association of two things in people's mind. When you think of Apple, you think of premium, sleek design and innovation. When you think of Amul, you think of trust, nostalgia and Indian excellence of dairy. Your job is to pair your business with something people already love. How to create strong brand association. Find something positive that people already know and connect with your brand. Example: Zomato is not just a food delivery app. It's fun, witty, and engaging on social media. For example, Tata is associated with trust and reliability because it has consistently delivered from decades. Over time, if you reinforce this assessment enough, people will connect emotions with you automatically. Action step: write down 3 things that you want to connect with your brand. Step 2: why branding matters. A strong brands give you a loyal customer. Customer stick with you instead of your competitor. Second, higher pricing power because customer trust your brand. Third, cheaper marketing cost because customer already recognize your brand, so they convert faster. For example, why do people buy Starbucks coffee for 400 instead of 50 from local shop? Perceived value. Starbucks has positioned itself as a premium lifestyle brand, not just a coffee shop. Same way, Royal Enfield sells nostalgia and heritage, not just bike. Look at your industry. What is the highest priced brand and why they charge that much? Step 3: identify your brand audience. Your brand is not for everyone. A successful brand directly speak with a specific type of group. Who should you target? Growing market. Example: vegan food brands are booming in India. They can afford you. Example: while luxury brand target high income professionals. Easy to find. For example, D2C beauty brands like Mamaearth use Instagram ads to reach young women. They have a need. For example, Baizu targets parents worry about their kids' education. Create a customer avatar. Who is your target audience? On based on age, income, pain point. Step 4: creating powerful brand association. Now, we connect your audience with things your audience already like. For example, Fevicol doesn't say we sell glue. They use humor and memorable ads to position themselves. For example, Patanjali associated itself with traditional Indian value and Ayurveda to dominating FMCG. How to make your brand memorable? Consistency. Your brand message should be clear and repeated everywhere. Second, emotions. People buy emotion, not logic. Third, unique style like How Zomato always engaging and fun with their audience. Write down 3 emotions you want people to feel when they think of your brand. Step 5, making your brand famous. Branding is useless if no one know about your brand. It needs visibility. 3 level of brand awareness. Number 1, tell them yourself, add social media, website. Number 2, let others tell them, review, referrals, and influence marketing. Number 3, let them experience it, best product and service. For example, Jaroda grow through word of mouth by offering zero commission trading. Both leveraged influence marketing to dominate the audio maker. Start one marketing channel today. Instagram, YouTube, blogging. Step 6, the branding flywheel. The cycle of branding. Make a promise. Example, Tata promise trust. Deliver on time. Example, Tata never compromise quality. Let people spread the word. Example, Apple user become evangelist. Why bad branding fails? Example, Bud Light's misleading marketing lost them customers. For example, Kingfisher Airlines overpromised luxury but underdelivered. List 3 ways to deliver on your brand promise. Bonus, accelerate your brand growth. Use this brand hack to speed up your branding growth. First, collaborate with influencer in your niche. Second, use storytelling. People remember story, not fact. Leverage PR. Get featured in media to build credibility. Offer value for free. Give free content or sample to create trust. Example, create used storytelling and premium branding to become a must have credit card app. Mamaearth gave free sample to moms to build trust before selling product. Choose one of these branding hacks and execute in this way. Conclusion, branding is not a one time thing, it is about consistent association over time. A strong brand lets you charge more, attract loyal customer and dominate the market. Start building your brand today. Thank you for watching video. If you have any question, you can write down on the comment section. I will let you know. And if you want something more about business and branding, you can subscribe to my channel and I will make relatable video soon. Thank you.